Responsible for 2 deaths. That's the accusation against embattled juvenile court judge Tracie Hunter.
Prosecutor Joe Deters says an 18-year-old accused of murder and his reported victim would still be alive if Judge Hunter would have locked him up as recommended. 9 on Your Side reporter Jay Warren is live at the Hamilton County Court of Common Pleas, where Hunter's trial is set to begin in 2 days. Jay?
Well, as a juvenile, Tywan Thomas was convicted of 36 different charges, and he was standing before Judge Thomas last October charged with aggravated drug trafficking. Now, the prosecutor's office had recommended that he go to juvenile prison, but instead, Judge Thomas sentenced him to home treatment, or rather outpatient treatment and home monitoring. If Judge Tracie Hunter had locked up Tywan Thomas, who's pictured on the right, he might not have killed Antoine Ward, pictured on the left. Nor would Thomas himself have been killed in the same shooting, says Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Deters. Quote, he clearly needed the structure of the Department of Youth Services if you were to have any chance of changing his life for the better. Had Thomas been a DYS, both he and Ward might still be alive today. Today, I spoke to Hunter's defense attorney, Clyde Bennett, who is outraged by the comments.
I was extremely disappointed and disturbed when I read the press release this morning. I think it's a contemplative, calculated, deliberate attempt to unduly influence the jury, which is to be selected Monday.
Tim Burke, chair of the Hamilton County Democrats, agrees. He was in the middle of the fight to get Hunter placed on the bench.
Frankly, the idea that the county prosecutor, 2 business days before Judge Hunter would go on trial, would issue a sensational statement attacking Judge Hunter and tainting the jury pool, I think is incredibly unfair and unprofessional.
Deters went on to say, quote, Judge Hunter has consistently said that she is doing this for the children. Well, now we have a dead one.
I think it's going to be a lot more difficult now than it was before to pick jurors from Hamilton County that are fair and impartial in this case in light of the onslaught of negative publicity.
Now, Judge Hunter's trial starts on Monday. Both the prosecutor's office and the public defenders had filed complaints against her, and we know now that Mr. Bennett is going to amend his motion for change of venue based on the statements that have been made by the prosecutor. Jay Warren, 9 on Your Side, downtown.